Bago matapos ang Women's Month, makakapanayam natin ngayong araw ang isa sa mga babaeng nakagawa ng pangalan sa larangan ng information technology. Siya si Anne Jacobe, founder ng Shoephoric.com, CEO ng Euphoric Labs at Managing Director ng The Playground by Project Hardcore Sisterhood. Magandang umaga, Anne.
Good morning.
Okay. Kasi pag iniisip yung information technology, ang field nito, dominated ng mga lalaki, ano? Yung mga pioneers ng internet, yung mga inventors, yung mga entrepreneurs na kilala. Pero you're an entrepreneur, making it in information technology. Paano ka ba nakapasok dito sa industriyang ito?
Ever since yun na talaga gusto ko. Nung bata ako, lagi kong sinasabi, I want to be my own boss. Tapos yung background ko, information technology. So I ended up as a technopreneur.
Okay, so pero nag-aral ka talaga ng engineering, hindi to accidentally na napasok mo?
Yeah, kasi nung bata ako, I think influence siya ng dad ko. So, I played with like resistors, capacitors, multitesters, oscillators, instead of
Nung bata ka?
Yeah.
So instead of dolls, you're fiddling around with radio parts.
Yeah, yeah.
And then this is parang kang little boy nung ganon. Kasi yung ginagawa ng mga batang lalaki. So okay. But now, of course, we don't want to identify that just with boys, no? Ikaw ang isang halimbawa ng babae na nasa isang male-dominated field. Are there barriers to women going into this field?
Nung una, parang yung impression nila sa'yo, pag nakita ka nila, babae ka, so you're not doing IT. Probably you're doing marketing for an IT company. Parang ganun yung laging impression.
Yun ang stereotype.
Yeah.
Yung babae sa IT, pang marketing.
Oo.
Hindi siya yung nag-iisip, nag-strategize at nag-iimbento ng mga produkto.
Yes.
Okay.
So, minsan pag sa meeting, parang pag may mga questions, technical questions, they don't look at me. They look at my marketing assistant, who happens to be a guy. And then my marketing assistant naman would look at me and then I'll proceed to answer their technical questions.
Pero how do you feel about that? Hindi ka naman iinsulto na sanay ka na sa ganon, you've moved on from that, and what? Ano ba attitude mo?
Yeah, okay lang naman yun. Kasi parang, I've accepted na yun talaga yung iniisip nila. Pero, you just have to prove yourself that you're good at what you do, and then they'll recognize your abilities.
Okay, speaking of which, okay, nagtayo ka ng sarili mong company, yung Euphoric Labs, no? What does it do? It makes mobile apps?
Yes, and we also provide mobile messaging gateway. So, for example, yung mga SMS verification na natatanggap nyo from when you register to like Line, Kakao, those are examples of SMS notifications. Or for example, you are part of a database of a retail store, you get a notification about their sales. So things like that. And also we're the first content provider who offered an API-based service na before you can launch a mobile marketing campaign, it will take you like 6 months. So with the API that we built, which you will find at euphoriclabs.com, you can launch your mobile marketing project right away.
Okay, so you're entering kind of a booming field, no? Parang online retail and then mobile messaging. I mean, your company kind of marries all of this. You provide app development services also to retailers.
Yes,
right?
Plus e-commerce. We also have an e-commerce platform that retailers can use right away if they want to go online also.
And also you've become known for a website about shoes and for shoe lovers, no? Yung Shoephoric. Shoephoric.com, no? And parang social networking ito para sa mga may hilig sa sapatos, which covers a lot of people.
Yes, from heel fanatics to sneakerheads.
Hindi lang mga pambabae ito.
Hindi lang pambabae,
kahit
pati lalaki.
Kasi may mga athletes na mahilig din sa sapatos.
Yes, like Jordans, Air Max. So we have runner shoes. Lahat, it's wide range na.
So mga aficionados, but they also trade, they buy and sell on this site?
Yes. Noong una yung Shoephoric, para lang siyang where they can show off their collection without getting the impression na ang yabang mo naman. Ganon. So parang it's the place for them to brag about their shoes. Pero ngayon, naging marketplace na siya. So the others, they trade their shoes there, and then we also launch our shops. So shoe merchants can go to shoephoric.com and have an online shop.
But Imelda Marcos is not on this network yet. Maybe soon. She can be a marketing person.
She's the original Shoephoric.
Okay. Okay, balikan natin yung mga babae sa industriya, no? I mean, how difficult is it for, I'm sure mas marami na ngayon ng mga babaeng kumukuha ng mga engineering courses at nangangarap na pumasok sa IT, no? Because there's a lot more money to be made, many more livelihoods there. Pero may mga gender barriers ba sa industriya ito?
Siguro noon, meron. Pero ngayon kasi medyo madami na. At saka parang, if I met men before na medyo parang power tripping on women, parang wala na sila ngayon. Parang they're more supportive of us women. Parang they encourage us to be in that field. Kasi inspiring kami.
Inspiring in what sense? I mean, it's more fun.
Yeah,
when
it's more fun
there are
if you
more
have women around
Yeah.
you.
Oh. Pero they respect your technical knowledge and skills
Yes,
naman. In
yes.
other words, dati may sexism.
Yes,
Diretsuhin na
yes,
natin.
yeah.
Ngayon, mas konti yung na-encuentro mong discrimination and sexism. Okay. So it's a much more wide open field for women now, for young women. So
Yes,
pwede na
especially
magtayo
for
ng mga
young
sariling... And your staff, a mix naman sila?
Yes, we're a mix of men and women. I have a coder who's also female, and then I have coders na...
Di man sinadya na maghanap ng coder o programmer na babae. It just so happened
Yeah.
yung may skilled programmer na babae. You didn't bend
Exactly.
over backwards to look for women, no?
Yeah.
So, looking at the future, kasi this year was also the 20th anniversary of the internet in the Philippines. How do you see the future of the internet in the Philippines and in the world? Ano bang maaasahan ng mga dumadaming internet users, dumadaming mobile users?
Actually, I always say when I first met the internet na parang there's something really infinitely wonderful about it. Parang ang dami mong pwedeng gawin. So I always advise women, na especially the young ones, na all you have to do is just seek for your passion. The tools are there, the internet's there. Hindi mo na kailangang hintayin na may mag-scout sa talent mo. All you have to do is just blog, create a site, and if you're really good at what you're doing, then people cannot ignore you. So the internet gives you a vehicle to be known for what you're passionate about.
And gender shouldn't matter kasi you could be working anywhere in the world.
True.
You don't even have to reveal your gender. Online, di ba? Yan ang maganda sa internet. Pwede mong baguhin yung identity mo.
Although it's still good if you show your authentic self.
And now you're saying minsan nakakatulong pa maging babae sa field na to.
Oo. Mas, you get the support. Sometimes you get special support from men.
All right. Well, good luck. Maraming salamat. Ann Jacobe, founder ng Euphoric.com, CEO ng Euphoric Labs at Managing Director ng The Playground by Project Hardcore Sisterhood.